Now Michelle and I are out for a cruise. Well, yeah, very rainy cruise. Had a nice afternoon just staying local, and now that we were going to go out and just enjoy some scenic stuff. We knew it was going to rain, but we were trying to drive west to beat it, but apparently nature had other plans. Where did we end up going? Was it Fox River?
Fremont.
Wolf River. I knew it was one of those animals that howls. Yeah, so we just went down there, and it was like the parking area was starting to flood, so we were like, yeah, let's just turn around. It's so creepy. You could see those dark clouds hovering. We knew it was going to be nuts, and yeah, it's been. I can always count on Wisconsin for some beautiful rain, though. Beautiful storm. We haven't seen a lot of lightning, but there were some. Tornado was by what, Oshkosh area? Or north of Oshkosh, so Winnebago County.
Just west of us.
Yeah, so at least we were out of that path.
I see some scud clouds over there.
The camera?
Some scud clouds that are...
Scud clouds?
Yeah, clouds that like hang low.
Oh yeah, that's what they call them?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so we're heading east right now, and this is how crazy it's been pretty much the whole way.
I don't like how dark it is.
No, we're driving towards the darkness. And yeah, I know, but hopefully it's also moving away too. So I'll let you guys know if there's anything of note, but I just wanted to say, yeah, I love the crazy weather.
I don't like the way that cloud looks over there.
The way
it's like hanging. No, it looks like it has a tail, like a scud cloud.
Oh. Yeah, I can kind of see what you're saying down there. If we can just get into the clear, that dark cloud overhead, then it'll be a little better. But I'm going to get you back home safe, Dave.
I don't like the way these clouds are looking.
Of course, the camera never does justice, but yeah. Do it. Go ahead. I was going to do the window thing earlier too, but she's like, no. It was pouring. I'm like, you want me to roll the window down? There you go. Yeah, I'm going too fast. I can roll the window. I don't mind a little water. Heck, I stopped and ran to the bathroom and got drenched. Yeah, anyways, that's what we're up to.